Okay. You want one? No, give me this one. Give me this one. No, 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 no. Oh. Come on, let me go in. I'm getting up. Wait. I see it. This is the end, and bye. I'm coming. I need to go get off. I don't have one. I lost it just now somehow. It just disappeared. I can't duplicate the OG backpack because I don't have anymore. This backpack has a big Labubu thing. Want to duplicate it? It has a big Labubu inside. There's a big Labubu inside. You love Labubus. This one. There's a big red one. Don't pick it up. I said don't. Redo it. You know what to do. Big red Labubu. And big rarity. I need to put a plunger on my back. I got on my back. Wait, I think you can ride me with the plunger because there's this plunger on my back. Looks like ride me. No. Sorry, screen. Dash. I have them unlocked. I unlocked them from like, I don't know. Because once I found it, it existed, and I wanted to just get one. Once I lost it, so I just spent all my research points just to get it. Huh. Okay, I have to get off. Is that okay? Yes, okay. I'm gonna get off. Bye. Is it? It is okay. Let's play tomorrow. Okay. I need to do something. To the Xbox. And you see this Xbox right here? It's an Xbox 360. And they're like 500 years old, I feel like. Is this illegal? Is this... Bye. Don't get off yet. Okay. Wait, what time is it? Bye, I need to get off now. Bye. Bye.
Bro, I have you friended.
Stupid little fricker.
Oh, I wanna trade.
Giveaway.
Anybody want a giveaway?
That's where I came from.
You wanna go back to
Anybody want
mine?
a giveaway?
I'm gonna. Yeah. Giveaway. You have to go to stage 5. Oh, stage 5. Okay, let's go stage 5.
Oh, I'm here to trade. Yo. Okay.
What do you want to trade? What do you want to trade? What's inside of it? Is there anything inside of it? Okay. Wait, drop it out. I won't go over there. I'm in my stash. No, like, dump what's inside of it out, because I want to see what's inside of it. Okay. I'll give you a 4-leaf clover for a golden one. Okay, let me put it in a bag. Delete what? Okay, we got a whole bunch of eggs. What? 11 items. Oh my goodness. Radiation gun. Oh my goodness. You want to trade for this? What do you got to trade? Holy moly! Okay. Okay, dump it out real quick. Dump it out. Okay. Like, what are you doing? Why did you throw it at me? Why did you throw it at me, bro? Why did you throw it at me? Why did you throw it at me, bro? You were supposed to leave it. Okay. I'm sorry. Revive me! Revive me! Uh-oh, is that a, that zombie?
Can anybody help me? I'm new.
Push ready.
Can anybody help me? Can anybody help me start the game? I'm pretty new.
That makes this lower down.
Yeah,
Oh,
this
is
game
this what all the servers look like?
Guy,
Is this what all the servers look like?
yo, mother dude, what are you
One
doing?
sec. I'm gonna see if this works.
Can you spawn like a
Wait, what's the
thousand?
rarest thing you can
can you
give us?
spawn
What's
like
the
1,000
rarest thing you can give us?
suitcases? Yo, guys,
Rarest
Yeah, give us
OG
something
items.
super rare. Can you
OG
make
items.
this
I can
tiny?
give you guys OG items.
Yeah,
Can
wait,
you
wait,
make
wait,
this
spawn like
tiny?
100,000
I mean, moderator, moderator.
Oh, jackpot!
Yo, oh my god! Holy
Do it again, do that again, do it again, do it again.
We know what we buy!
Give it all to me! I'm a believer!
I also have this.
Shotgun ammo? I don't even have a revolver,
Why would I want
but
this?
still
This
cool.
is trash. Yo,
What's the
Mother,
rarest
we
thing
want
you can
money.
give us?
Wait, monster!
Like, what's
I
the
mean,
rarest
moderator, moderator, can you send me a friend quest, please? Moderator, I
Moderator.
wait, moderator,
If you want a friend request,
Moderator.
then I'm gonna.
moderator, can I get mom arms? Can I get mom moderator?
Wait,
Can
make
you
friends
make
tiny?
Can you friend me? Can you make this
Mother,
moderator?
drop
Can you
money,
give Mama-
drop more money. Oh,
Oh
hold
my
on.
god, you thought
That keeps
you
everyone
teleported us!
Um,
Moderator,
oh, that's-
moderator,
Can I get mom
moderator, can I
Can you
get
give
mom
me
Alright,
arms, please?
you guys are. Alright. You're too loud.
Oh,
You're going.
dang.
Okay.
Oh,
So
can I please have
Can you
just a
make this
suitcase?
tiny? Yo,
I don't like the way
can
you look
make
at
this-
me.
oh, oh. Somebody just stole my suit. Yo, follow me. Follow me.
Oh, some Cocoa Puff. Cocoa
Hey,
Puffs.
follow me, follow me.
Cocoa Puffs.
Yo, bro, follow me.
Guys, I'm Red Watch.
I want some Cocoa Puffs. You got Cocoa Puffs. You got Cocoa.
Who are you? I'm recording a video. No, you're not. No, you're not. Oh my god, it's right. You're not recording a video.
I'm in the soccer arena. Don't come there. Boy, stand off in stage. YouTuber.
The fuck is he? I don't know you at all, my guy. What was his name? Moffat? I don't think I remember you, my guy. Rebot. Don't be mean.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Bro, I can look on my watch and see your name, my guy. Well, wait, bro, can you get the wait, can you? Oh my god. I can't do that unless I own the server.
red watch.
Bro, can you go get the purple guy? I'm trying to make a video of can you get the purple guy? No, I just need the purple guy. From when, my guy? I don't know anyone. There's something called I can check the watch. Oh my god, okay.
My
my guy, why did you drop your revolver? Revive me.
No idea.
Should we go up?
And okay, YouTuber, after you're done doing that, can we do a Mexican, well, can we do a cowboy standoff where we like use the pistols and all that in stage 1? Because
Oh my bad, I didn't mean to.
Maybe after the video or something.
Yeah.
little boy. Oh yeah, leave
Sit down
with
your
the good
sentence,
boy,
little
bro.
boy. Sit down your sentence, little boy.
Hi. Oh, I already reported you, bro.
No, I
Yeah,
reported
nothing
you for
happened,
griefing.
Oh yeah, bro. What?
Everybody, don't get his
Oh yeah,
cold. This guy is
griefing by
griefing.
killing
This
someone
guy's
in a
griefing. This
war.
guy's griefing. This guy's griefing.
Yeah, I'm
Guys,
killing
you
people in
guys
a war, bro. That's what you're supposed to do.
I'm back.
No, you're not.
Sorry, you're calling me little
Hey,
boy,
what's going on?
9-year-old.
Hey, what's going on?
Lobby.
I don't know. I just heard that was a griefing.
I accept. Okay.
You're
I don't know,
calling
I
me
heard
little
that
bro,
someone
you
else.
9-year-old.
Wait, is there someone grieving? Because I heard someone who was grieving.
Oh yeah,
him.
Apparently
Yeah,
I'm
I
griefing.
found it. It's him.
Apparently I'm griefing
It's
for
him.
killing
He's
someone
the
in
one
a war.
griefing. He's the one griefing.
If it's
How am I
about
griefing,
killing,
bro?
if it's killing in the war, that's not griefing. But if it's stealing, then that's something else.
Here's some.
But that's not. Or so wait,
I'm
tell me,
not
can you
stealing,
explain?
bro.
Look, I
I'm
found,
not-
guys. I found the wiener.
How am I griefing?
When I'm
Hey,
Okay, Rap.
hey, no save zone
Oh
killers.
my
Hey, no save
God.
zone killers.
Who killed? Who killed?
no, that's griefing. That's different.
Give the save zone killer.
In stage
Why did
5,
this
anyone
use
can
leaving?
kill each other.
Yeah. So yeah, if you want to keep on fighting, it's in stage 5.
So, what do we
Yeah,
do?
let's just,
cleaner.
bro, this guy's just over dramatic, and he's complaining for me killing him in a war.
That's okay. That's just over dramatic at this point.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so if you were here or if you
good?
want to be a part of the war, just go to stage 5.
I wish you
There,
talked.
there might be a ton of rocket launchers because Red was
Shut
spamming them, even though any damage to us.
Yeah, bro, he needs like 5 bajillion shots to kill us, bro.
You good?
Bro, he had to use 5 rocket launchers.
Okay.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Elias, I kinda gotta get off.
What does the guy
we're a
expect me
perfect
to
duo,
do?
though.
Just like
we
just
just.
stand there?
Hey, bro, you
Like
you
it's
were
a
the
war. Like
I
What do
was
you
the
want me
main
to do?
character, and then you were my second in command.
I was just
you
sniping.
want me to let you kill me? No.
Elias,
I'm
it's
not
time for
doing
you to
that.
get rid of the motor. The moto. It's time for you to upgrade. I welded down my one and only chicken wing. I thought I'm just
But-
going something.
I am the.
I have the same chicken wing.
I know. Or, okay, now I know. I meant.
Now you're the one.
Yeah,
Oh, hello, bro.
but I am gonna be
Except
the one.
for like
that-
the owner guy.
Ooh,
Yeah,
the
he's the owner.
14.
Hey, no.
Oh, hold on.
No,
Thank you, buddy.
I have the same thing.
Thank you.
Literally the exact same thing.
Oh,
There we go.
fuck,
What is
gonna
skin?
murder me!
Jay, you gotta move!
Hey, you gotta move.
Oh wait, you wasn't. Wait, Bunny, where are you, Bunny? You dead last time, remember? What's this? Bunny, where are you?
Can you
I
tell me
thought
who's
you
my
were the one that
buddy?
blew me up.
Who's
I
my
am so
friend,
sorry.
Bunny? Because he gave me this
I'm so
Barbie
sorry for
and he's
shooting
so,
him.
so
I thought he
nice.
was the one. I thought he was the one that blew me up.
Guys, let's go to stage 5.
I know. That's why.
Everybody, go back to stage 5!
Oh, you back.
I'm now the leader.
I saw you die and I don't know,
back
so,
into
oh
the
gosh.
leader.
Someone
You will
took,
have to now listen to
someone
me. But,
took you.
but most of y'all, command I'm about to tell you is just to not spam, do not spam rocket launchers, and do not take people's items. That's the only command.
Ooh. For me?
And do not complain about someone killing you when it's literally... Oh yeah, about that too. That too.
Bunny! Bunny, where are you? Where, have you seen Bunny? I thought he's going. Okay, let me go find him for my broom. Or he's somewhere. Are you trying to shoot me? Because I got this really hard when I got finally when I was, oh yeah, hello Bunny, I'm right here. Hi Bunny. Hi Bunny. Bunny, I'm right there. You good? You good, Bunny? Or are you doing something? Hi Bunny. Yo, what are you doing? He was my best friend. Hold on, let me do something. For my, I should, what? I'm trying to put this on my stash. Or my pocket. Is someone hurt Bunny? I think you should, oh yeah. Okay, I'm coming for you. I should come in for him. I'm coming!
Go to stage 5.
Yo.
Yo, Billy Cat, where are you? Yeah. Space. Yeah, I'm here too. Hold on. Jay, you gotta move! Everybody in the lobby. Yeah.
Oh man. Oh my car, man. Dude. Wait.
This is a war code, and the war is happening in stage 5.
Yo, where's Billy Cat? Right here, mate. I'll send you a friend request. Let's Who did you join? Who did you join? I have you friended. No, I already have you friended.
I'm at level 82, bro. I'm so close.
What?
You friends?
Now do you see it?
Good boy. Yeah, I
Stop friending people,
What?
dude.
Bro,
Let's go.
It ain't about words.
Stop friending people.
You're the teleport guy.
On your friend.
I'm going by.
Guys, I gotta hear that. Alright, so I heard this was a...
What is this Diddy Blood doing on me?
Hey!
This was a war code. You're using a thing, it also does the same thing, so, I don't know. Wait.
No, I think I...
Hold on to don't scroll like an Asian person. Oh, basically, you want to get
What is this?
Stop on, please.
That was
Stein. No, grab this. Stealing is not allowed, bro. Don't worry.
Where's our war? I'm gonna do the war monster, like, stairs.
I'm about to kill him.
Please push SB1.
You want a baby monkey?
Bro, let's get a baby. What about we can just get a baby? Shepherd from the
Holy
from
snipe,
China.
bro. Yo, wait, that's mine, bro.
Oh, yeah, I'm so sorry. Here, you can have it. I'm so sorry. It's so cool.
Actually, no, you can have it. You can have it. I don't want it.
It was good.
Yeah, you gotta move. Yeah, you gotta move. Jay, you gotta move. Bro, it's a war. What do you expect, bro?
Wait, Bunny, where are you, Bunny? Where are you, Bunny? Where's Bunny? Guys, have you seen
What
my
do you want,
Bunny?
bro? It's
Literally a war.
Guys, have you seen Bunny, guys? Have you seen Bunny? Guys,
Goose, my goose, bro. Huh? Oh, skip.
come here, Buck.
Crucify!
Where's Bunny? Yo, I was looking for you. Don't do that,
Yes, mister.
Guys, wanna fight together?
Are you crying? Crap.
Yo, everybody. Oh, wait, that's that.
Let's go.
I came. I saw. I leave.
doing?
Guys, what are you guys doing? Oh my god, dude, chat, why? Why do you
Where's my boss? Boss? Must be wearing a certain. Boss! Boss, where are you, boss? Boss! That's it. Hey, what are you in here? Why are you in this hole?
I'm gonna make
You wanna play games? You wanna play games with
Nope,
me?
job! I'm too young for a job!
Peace out, Girl Scout.
Yeah.
Who?
Wanna see mine? Here. Come over there. Follow the big blue baseball bat.
Are you guys in stage 5?
Yo, you wanna be my football pick on maybe?
We're gonna help Purple do his job as security guard. Okay. Purple, wait, is he doing a night shift? No, dog. I'm not asking for anything. I'm also gonna give you a good item. Here.
Dang!
Yeah, it's good for seeing in the dark and then I'm gonna show you the place you're supposed to be at.
I'm gonna need a backpack.
I'm gonna show you dark purple. I'm gonna show you where the place
wait, who's the
you're
owner
supposed
of
to
the
be at.
shop?
Yeah,
Who's
come back
the
to
owner of the shop?
Because I'm gonna show you.
Are you the owner of the shop?
Yeah, right here.
Can I work here?
There's like an incident happening. I don't know. It's like the 5 missing people incident. When somebody just walked in a random the station and somebody got killed by something. It was not me, it was something serious.
No!
Then-
Why did you do that?
Like,
What did I
5
do?
more people got little killed by
No!
something.
No!
Now just
You
go
done
for it.
it!
Don't worry.
I'm gonna give everyone a
I'll
job
give
at
you
my
one. I'll give you one. I'll give you another
only
one.
do that
I'll
tonight.
give you another So, yeah, one. I'm the owner of the
Better not do it again or else I'm firing you.
Everyone,
I'm a security guard so I can fire you.
Go take you to the store.
Hello, bro. Bro, it's me, Green. Bro.
So, I think we have to fish.
I'm gonna tell my boss to hold my ammo.
Boss.
I didn't. I don't know how. I want to use my money to buy a bundle so I can get the thing. But
Do this
You want-
real fast.
This is mine.
Here, take these. Take these.
it can fly. I can fly with it.
No.
I can fly.
I didn't mean to.
They should add clapping into the game.
I'm doing it.
Oh, it's a video.
Bro,
Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that to your friends?
I'm gonna go
There's
get
no
more
airway.
mine. Yes, we go. I'm gonna go more mining.
Yeah, put it in my stash.
I have to go fishing. So I'll be okay.
have
I'll
a
be
party?
going. I'm gonna go mining.
No, I
Who
do
wants to have
not
a
want to
party?
do that, gun build.
Yeah, I wanna try it. Oh yeah, I'll trade you 2 of these.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding. No!
Eat it. I dare you to eat it.
Get away from my little Timmy! No! Ow! I need a...
Yeah.
What?
Boom! Boom! Don't worry, little Timmy. I got you, little Timmy. You stay in my backpack. You'll always be good.
Yo, bro, you know I'm a Ronaldo fan? I hate my eyes, nose, and my mouth. You thought you could...
Oh god. I'm not a scammer! For what? I do not want that. No.
I see Marcus. Marcus. I mean, find out some.
Do not trade him. We can make that. We can literally make that. Do not trade him. No. I'm going somewhere. Okay. Why are you being a crybaby? Okay, Green. Okay, Green. Okay, go to the code. Let's go to the code.
Test code 6. Test the code. I'm going to give you this, okay? I can.
I'm not the security guard. I'm the owner of the market here. I'm one of the security guards.
Hey, who wants to do a manhunt with me? Anybody want to do goo building with me? Hey, if you want.
It's probably gonna run down our battery super fast.
Guys, look at the
Wait,
farm
guys, who wants to...
Guys, who wants to, if you want to do Goop Building,
Who wants to race?
SPARKYVR if you want to do Goop Building. Sparky VR. SPARKYVR.
Who wants to race me with this beans? Who wants to race me with beans? Who wants to race me? Wanna race me? Okay. Here.
Is this friendly fire?
Follow me, follow me, follow me.
Could someone buy me some Goop? Hey, who wants to do a manhunt?
He wants to do a manhunt.
Hey, excuse me?
Hey! Everybody in the server! Hey, you wanna follow me? Follow me, Black. There's this cool flying glitch. You can get long arms and flying glitch. This is how I have long arms, mister. No, come here. Look, you can bring a weapon if you don't trust me. Yeah, you can bring a revolver. Follow me. So, if you wanna fly, you have to hold this down.
Ah! Okay, so you don't go to the build shop. Go to the building shop where you can buy your black. Go to this thing might transport your things real quick.
Someone buy me Goop.
Where's Black? Black! Black! Where's Black?
You buy me Goop.
Hey Black, where are you?
You buy me Goop.
The server knows.
You.
Everybody!
Look.
Somebody! Hey, come here, you, come here. Somebody come follow me. Somebody follow me, bro. See, this is not connected. Look at my cool build. Follow me. Somebody follow me. Someone follow me.
You follow me. Look. Follow me.
No, you follow me. I want somebody to follow me. Anybody in the server, somebody. Yo,
I'll
Who
follow
wants a
you.
special banana gun?
I'm gonna follow you.
Oh wait, no, see. Guys, somebody follow me.
Who wants a banana gun?
Yo, that
Can you follow me?
banana gun.
Yeah, it's this news. Look, follow me.
That's not how you make a banana gun. It's just a gun with banana.
Oh, let's do a.
Yeah, I call it the banana gun.
Yo, you're gonna get voice fed by the way, though, unfortunately.
You know something funny?
I don't
You
want
know
the
something
banana
funny,
gun.
Kitten?
Bro, you're gonna get voice fed.
Oh, Kitten, you wanna know something funny? What is Little Bro saying?
No, I got
Oh, Kitten, you wanna know something funny? Every single Amazing Ditch poster I saying. You gotta hush up.
no.
Don't revive him.